Alright, here we go, guys. Random letters. Tristar Quest Discovery. Full briefcase number 6. Taking us a while to fill this one, but it's finally here. Thanks everybody for joining, and best of luck to you. Well done, Brandon. 21 total spots. Here we go. We're going to hit the randomizer 5 times. The letter corresponds to the first letter of the last name of the subject on the item that we get. DC Irish up top, Mr. Nasty on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Genesee to the top. R.A. Tolly to the bottom. And the letters A through W with I and Y as a combo, and there are letters missing. If we get any of the letters that are missing, we'll randomize it to everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth and final hit. Cross your fingers, hold your winners. 5. T on the top, O on the bottom. T and O. Genesee, you got T, DC Irish K, Mr. Nasty F, Jimmy Taco Pants, the S, Audi Tech I and Y, LT588B, DC Irish L, J period 26R, Calacas 56P, Natty 12B H, Mr. Nasty G, Audi Tech V, Long John C, Jake Pug 313A, J.A. Hatley N, J period 26D, DC Iris J, C Strunk W, Louis T13 E, Shamrock M, and R.A. Tolly O. There you go. Good luck. Put you right there above me, eh? Good luck, everybody. Let's see what we get. What you get. What are we talking about here? Oh. That's not my show. Just kidding. Yeah, I should probably wait. I don't know. Okay.
Some pretty nerdy music lately.
All right. Not everybody likes to hit the other stuff. I gotta switch it up. 5 envelopes. Envelope number 1. That looks really old. Holliston, Massachusetts. Index card of Fred Tenney. Let's learn about Fred Tenney, shall we? Autograph index card. He died in 1952. Played 20 professional baseball seasons. 17 with the Boston Beaneaters and New York Giants. Considered one of the best defensive first basemen of all time. Credited with creating the 3-6-3 double play and originating the style of playing off the first base foul line. How about that? So Fred Tenney, letter T is Genesee. There you go. That's Chad. Genesee. That's an old timer. Alright, envelope numero 2. That means number 2. Pelé. Pelé, letter P. Kalakis 56, 16 by 20 autograph photo, doing a bicycle kick. Wow, look at that. Sick. Very nice. Kalakis 56 with Pelé. Very cool. Number 3. All that flawless soccer we've been doing. Pelé comes out of Quest. Barry Sanders. Nice. Autographed football. Pretty cool. Wilson NFL football. Letter S. Jimmy Taco Pants. That name gets me. Congratulations to Jimmy Taco Pants. Envelope number 4. Luke Kuechly, autograph replica helmet, full-size helmet with 2013 Defensive Player of the Year inscription. Letter K, DC Irish. There you go, got one. Luke Kuechly. Alright, last envelope coming. Bruce Matthews, white autographed jersey. Houston Oilers, Tennessee Oilers, and Titans from 83 to 2001, 14-time Pro Bowler. Bart Star Man of the Year, all kinds of different stuff. NFL Alumni Offensive Lineman of the Year. That's why I've never heard of him. He's a lineman. Bruce Matthews, letter M, is Shamrock. That's Shamrock. Donald. Thank you. I will randomize the briefcase. Matter of fact, you know what? I have 2 other empty briefcases. I might have 3 empty briefcases. Let me see here. So if you got a hit, you're not gonna. Oh man, I guess you can get a briefcase too. So let's random off all 3. You can only win 1 briefcase. That's the rule. It's supposed to only come with 1 in the break, but we've done this individual envelope breaks, and I've got some extra ones here. Let's see. Make sure they're empty here. That one's empty. That one's empty. And this one's empty. So yeah, I got 3 empties. We'll give away 4 briefcases to you guys. Finally filling this one up. Let's hit the randomizer on your names here. Top 4 names, but only 1 briefcase per person. So we'll move down to the next one on the list. 1, 2, 3. R.A. Tolley, Audi Tech, DC Irish, and C Strunk. If any of you guys are live and don't want it, let me know. I'll give it to the next person on the list. Thanks again, guys, for joining. Thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time, peace.